In 1666, what seemed like an insignificant spark ignited one of the most devastating and transformative events in London's history, reshaping the city and its future forever. Thomas Farriner, a baker on Pudding Lane, inadvertently became the catalyst for the Great Fire of London. A small flame in his bakery grew into an unstoppable inferno, driven by the dry summer and tightly packed, timber-framed buildings. Within hours, the fire spread with alarming speed, its path of destruction widened by strong winds that fanned the flames. Panic swept through the streets as residents fled, grabbing what belongings they could carry. While the relentless fire consumed homes, businesses, and landmarks, the cries of fear and despair painted a chilling picture of a city in chaos. The destruction was staggering. The Great Fire devoured more than 13,000 homes, 87 churches, and numerous significant structures, including the iconic St. Paul's Cathedral, which crumbled under the intense heat. Entire neighborhoods were reduced to smoldering ruins, displacing an estimated 100,000 residents. For 4 agonizing days, the flames raged, turning a quarter of the city into ash and rubble. The psychological toll on the population was immense, as families were left homeless, their livelihoods destroyed, and their futures uncertain. The scenes of devastation etched themselves into the collective memory of Londoners, exposing the fragility of urban life. In the face of such an uncontrollable force, the fire revealed the vulnerabilities of 17th century London. The city's cramped streets, lined with wooden buildings, acted as kindling for the inferno. Efforts to combat the fire were primitive and woefully inadequate. Relying on basic tools like buckets of water and fire hooks to tear down structures in a desperate attempt to halt the flames, Thomas Farriner faced significant blame for the disaster. However, the fire underscored the deeper issues of poor urban planning, overcrowding, and inadequate infrastructure that left the city so susceptible to destruction. It was a harsh lesson for a rapidly expanding metropolis, emphasizing the urgent need for modernization. Despite the overwhelming tragedy, the Great Fire of London became a turning point in the city's history. The aftermath sparked an ambitious rebuilding effort that transformed London's landscape and ushered in a new era of urban design and safety. Wooden buildings were replaced with sturdier brick and stone constructions, while streets were widened to create open spaces that could help prevent the spread of future fires. Sir Christopher Wren, one of history's most renowned architects, played a pivotal role in this transformation, redesigning landmarks like St. Paul's Cathedral. It rose from the ashes as a majestic symbol of resilience and renewal. His work marked a bold new chapter in London's architectural heritage. The fire also inspired crucial advancements in public safety and urban planning. It prompted the establishment of fire insurance companies. The disaster laid the groundwork for the development of professional fire brigades. Stricter building regulations were introduced, ensuring that future disasters of such magnitude would be less likely to occur. Beyond the physical rebuilding, the Great Fire left an indelible mark on the collective spirit of Londoners. It became a testament to their resilience and ability to adapt in the face of adversity. The disaster also stands as a powerful reminder of how a single event can spark monumental change, reshaping not just the city, but its people and their way of life. Even today, the story of the Great Fire captures the imagination, reminding us of the vulnerability and resilience of human societies. It remains a poignant symbol of how destruction can lead to transformation and how the human spirit can triumph over even the greatest adversities.